Hi guys, at CK we are launching our program for CAT 21 crash course and CAT 22 programs as well. So in case you want to join us for CAT 21 or CAT 22, you can just call the numbers given below or the links are given in the description box to join. Or in case you want to join us only for the books, mocks, shortcuts, you can join us. This Monday we're launching our new program. Hi guys, let's look at the placement report of IIM Bangalore. This is mainly made to motivate all the students for the placement report for 2021. So we'll start with summer placement. Summer placement of PGP and PGP BA, which is the business analyst program. Total number of students are 525, and for them 532 offers were made. 517 were accepted. 8 students opted out from the placement. Now there's a data which every B school should give, and where they got placed, we can see 28% of the batch got placed in consulting, 16% in general management, 18% in sales, operations, finance, e-commerce, and business analyst, 3%. And which company came on campus for the summer placement? Amazon, Accenture, Bain, BCG, Kearney, McKinsey, all the main brands are here. All the consulting firms are on the top. Amazon being number one, normal company, otherwise most of them are consulting firms. Then Goldman Sachs, TCS. Okay, now we look at the final placement. For the final placement for the PGP program, 440 students were there and 481 offers were made. Number of companies came to campus, 120. PPO were given to 193 students. So out of 440, almost 193, 200 students have got a PPO. So almost 40% of the batch have got a placement at the end of the first year. Lateral placement, which is people with work experience, 110. Overseas, 8. People opted out for the placement, 9. Now overseas placement are always less because most of the companies cannot send you abroad directly. You have to first join their Indian office, work in the Indian office, and then go abroad after few months. Placement wise, final placement, now this is why IIM Bangalore is number one for consulting. 36% of the batch have gone to consulting. IT product management 17%, finance 14%, e-commerce 11%, operations 1, sales 9%, and BA 3%. And the main PPO offers, again, Bain's number one, 15 PPOs, Goldman Sachs 11 PPO, Amazon 10 PPO, McKinsey 10. I've taken the interview of the guy who converted McKinsey PPO. You can check out his interview as well on my channel. Company wise, maximum offer were made by Accenture Strategy, 41 offer, Amazon 28 offers, Bain 24 offers. यार एक बार स्कोर लेके आ जाओ. You can see here the most of the brands, all the top brands are coming for campus. एक बार बस स्कोर लेके आ जाओ, including Microsoft. Now for example, as an engineer, my dream was to work in Microsoft, but I could not join because I was a mechanical engineer. हाँ, वो अलग बात, अपनी औकात से ज़्यादा हम सोच रहे थे being a mechanical engineer joining Microsoft, but as an MBA you can join. After MBA you can join. Now look at the compensation part. The main thing which you're looking for, which we're waiting for, average salary is 28.96 and the median salary is 28.60. 28.98 मोटा मोटा 29 lakh का पैकेज is the average salary of IIM Bangalore. अब आ गया लास्ट पार्ट. यहाँ जाने के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा? हाउ मच आई नीड टू स्कोर टू रीच IIM Bangalore? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, इफ यूर फ्रॉम द ओपन कैटेगरी, GEM, General Engineer Male, 99.6 percentile is required, which is marks wise 125 marks in the CET, in the CAT paper. Yeah, out of 226 mark paper, you have to score 125. Almost 50% marks you need to get to convert IIM Bangalore, 50% marks. Okay, for open category, this is for GEM, General Engineer Male. For non-engineer, this is around 99 percentile, which is again around 120 marks, which is around 100 marks. So 125 marks for GEM, 101 marks for open category non-engineer. For OBC EWS, the cutoff is around 97 percentile, which be around 80 to 85 marks. 97 percentile, 99 percentile, 99.6 percentile. And for SC, ST, PWD, the cutoff is around 90 to 92%. हम 90% लेकर चलते हैं. If not IIM Bangalore, you will get the call from the main IIMs at least. or if you want Hell Bent for IIM Bangalore, 92 percentile, let's keep it there. So which come out to around 70 marks. So 125, 101, 85, 70 is going to be your cutoff for IIM Bangalore. Fine, एक बार just score लेके आ जाओ. Just let's work hard and get the score once, and you are reaching this college. All the best.